So here we are studying about the stationary stochastic process, in which we are saying you will get the f of x comma t equal to f of x comma t plus c for any value of c. So here you can calculate its mean. Similarly, for the second order strict sense stationary process, what we are saying, you will get the same value. So you can take here f of x1 t1 x2 t2, that will be equal to f of x comma t1 plus c x2 comma t2 plus c. For any value of c, you will get the same value. So if you are taking c equal to minus t2, your equation will become like this, 14.8. You can see here. So we can say the second order density function of the strict sense stationary process will depend only on the difference. You can see here it is depending on the t1 minus t2, but it is not depend on the time, and we are denoting time difference by letter tau. So we can say in the first order sense stationary process, it is not depending on the time, it is independent of time. And second order triple-S will depend only on the difference of time, it is not depend on the time. So in that case, we can calculate the auto correlation functions of triple S. You can calculate for second order like autocorrelations we are denoting by letter capital R. So you will get Rxx t1 comma t2 if you are taking two variables. You will get that will be Ex t1 x star t2. So here we can say the autocorrelation function of the second order triple S process depends only on the time difference, because you will get here, if you calculate that integrations, you will get that will depend on the tau. So we can say its autorelations also depend on the only time difference of that two indices. So we can say that these are the consequence of the random process being first and the second order strict sense stationary. So on the other hand, the basic condition for the first order and the second order stationarity are usually difficult to verify. So just because of that reason, we are often to resort to looser definitions of stationary. We are calling that as a wide sense stationary. If you will get mean Ex of t, you will get equal to mu, and Ex of t1 x star t2 means you are taking here autocorrelations. So you can say here you will get that value as Rxx t1 minus t2. It means what? Here autocorrelations will also depend on the time difference. So we can say for wide sense stationary process, the mean is constant because we will get mean value as a mu, and autocorrelation will depend only on the difference between the time indices. So we can say anything about the nature of the probability density functions. Instead, we are dealing with the average behavior of the random process. So here strict sense stationary always implies that it will be wide sense stationary. But if you see vice versa, the converse is not true. It means what? If any random process is triple S, at that time you can say it will be WSS, means wide sense stationary. But for wide sense stationary, your requirement is you will require mean as a constant, mean as a mu, and you will require its autocorrelations that will only depend on the time difference. So you will get these things in the triple S. So you can say triple S will always be WSS, but WS will or will not be triple S. So we can say here converse is not always true. So here we can see about the now for the Gaussian process. So we can say here only there will be the exceptions you will get. This will be true. It means what? WSS will be triple S. You will get only in the Gaussian process, because if you see x of t, we are taking that random process as a Gaussian process. Then by definitions you will get x1 equal to x of t1 up to xn equal to x of tn. So we can say these are the jointly Gaussian random variables for any value of t1, t2, tn, whose joint characteristics functions is given as, if you are taking their joint characteristic functions, you will get phi x wn up to wn, that will be equal to e to the power I summation k equal to 1 to n mu of tk wk minus summation 1 comma k up to n, and there will be the covariance of xx ti tk wi wk by 2. So here we can say you will get the cxx that can be defined as a covariance. So we can say if the random process x of t is the wide sense, means triple S, then we will get phi x w1 up to wn, that will you can convert 1422 equations if you will get x of t is a WSS, you can convert like a 1423. So here you can say if the set of time indices are shifted by a constant C at that time to generate a new set of jointly Gaussian random variable, like you will get x of t1 plus c, you can take that as x1 dash, x tn plus c, you can take xn dash. So we can say then their joint characteristics functions is identical like equation 1423. So we can say the set of random variable from xi n up to xi dash n have the same joint PDF probability distributive functions for all value of n and for all value of c. So that will establish the triple S of Gaussian process from its WSS. It means what? Here we are saying if that process is triple S, that will always be WSS. But if that is WSS, it may not be triple S, but it will be true in the Gaussian process. So here we have seen we will get the triple S from the Gaussian process of its triple S. So here if you are summarizing, you will get x of t is a Gaussian process, and at that time if that is WSS means wide sense stationary, at that time it will definitely strict sense stationarity random process. So we can say the joint PDF of Gaussian random variable depends only on their second order statistics, which is also the basis for wide sense stationarity. There are lots of numericals in these equations, there are lots of equations. So these are some quite complex. So just try to revise the things, try to solve these equations. You can write at home on your notebook, then you will understand how we are taking its covariance, autocorrelations, how we are considering the random process x of t, we are taking that as a WSS, triple S. So you are supposed to revise the things. So here if we are taking one example, like if we are taking one random process x of t equal to a cos omega t plus phi. So if we are saying that as a WSS, but it is not a triple S. So WSS के लिए क्या था? We will require autocorrelation will depend on the time difference and its mean will be constant. So here if we are considering one random process x of t is 0 mean, it means what? We can say that mean is constant. So we can say that as a wide sense stationary process. So here you will get sigma z square equal to E of z square. If you calculate, you will get that will depend on the difference. So we can say here if you are taking, the time will vary from minus t to plus t. At that time tau will also varies. So here we are saying Rxx2, it means what? Autocorrelations is a constant over a shaded region. You can observe this in the which is shaded by the green color. So here we are saying whose area is given by tau is greater than 0. So here if you calculate, you will get 1 by 2 2t minus tau square minus 1 by 2 2t minus tau minus d tau square equal to, you will get 2t minus tau d tau. So here we can say above integral we can reduce to get like this. So here you will get its autocorrelations will only depend on the time difference. So we can say that as a WSS. So here we want to see about the system with the LTI. So here